Magic 89.9.
Hello, Hello. Yes. And Kuya Josh, everyone. From Ken Kuys.
Sa interview, pwede naman.
Sige.
Ikaw na lang umupo. Kamusta po kayo?
Yes.
Nakita lang tayo earlier this month.
Yes.
Yung bumukad sa buwan namin, ikaw rin ang magtatanong.
Oo. Wow. Oo nga. Yes.
Ang nakakaloka, hindi pa ako nakakabubon sa mga kanta mo. Tapos bumalik ka na naman.
Ganun po talaga. Mahal na mahal ko po kasi ang estasyon ninyo. Yes! Thank you so much again for having me. Thank you po.
10 million streams is amazing.
Crazy. Well, hindi pa rin po kasi parang ang bilis and it's been a while na ayan,
Hello?
change mic.
Right? Oo. Ray tayo
Perfect.
ngayon eh. Where's my husband? Kailangan ng wire. Nainggit ako.
Yes.
Ayan, okay.
Well, yeah, I'm always surprised and grateful. 10 million streams is not a joke, of
No,
course.
yeah.
And grabe, malala sila mag-stream. Yun lang masasabi ko sa mga angels. Mga
Ibig
ano yan, mga
sabihin,
learners kasi.
Ibig sabihin ng 10 million times silang nasaktan, 10 million times silang umiyak,
Yes.
at 10 million times kang nakiramay.
Yes naman. At
Right.
10 million times din nilang na-realize na it's their time to shine. It's their time to shine. Na parang simula ngayon, di ba?
Yeah.
Sila naman.
Grabe. Parang
Kaya na tayo.
Oo nga. Alam mo, may malapit dito na inuman. Doon na lang tayo pupunta. Oo.
Mali.
Okay, but before we head on over to your music, how are you? Kamusta ka naman? Kamusta ang biyahe papunta dito?
Ay, mamaya makikita nyo po. May ipapakita ko sa angels ko after this live. Naglakad po kami papunta dito.
So kung nakita niyo po siya kanina,
Sa Magic
siya po talaga
89.9.
yon. Hindi po kayo
Kasi
nagkakamali.
hindi grabe yung traffic.
Yeah, oo
And
nga.
of course, we're live. So, talagang trinay namin yung best na hindi malate.
And
Kaya sabi namin, tara na. But may van naman, pero yun nga, talagang
Pero nandun pa
sobrang
rin siya.
stuck. Halos nung before we start, kanina, kakaalis niya lang dun sa traffic kung saan kami daw nanggaling. So sabi namin, buti na lang naglakad na tayo.
Oo nga. Sabi nga ng Timo, sana nag-Strava ka.
Well, may video naman ako. Papakita ko
Nag-vlog na lang siya
live.
papunta doon.
Yes.
And guys, I promise you, she walked for so long, pero pagdating niya rito, parang mas mabango pa siya sa aming lahat. Combined.
Ano ba kayo? Pawis ko yun. Wow.
Wow, ang bango ng pawis natin. Ano kinakain mo? Sabi ko nga, what makeup are you wearing? Nandun pa, yung pa-freckles natin.
Yes.
Walang mintas.
Guys, hindi kita lang ata dito, pero may
Oh.
freckles po ako today.
Right.
Finreckles ko po ang night live natin today.
Yeah, and
Yes.
thank you so much for your music and for coming kahit naglakad ka,
Yes.
nag-walkathon ka mag-isa
Ay,
mo
wala
dyan.
pong problema. Ano yun?
Oo.
Experience.
Your
Experience.
EP has been out for a while now, and I'm sure your fans are telling you their stories or their experiences
yes.
with the EP. What is one story of a fan that had listened to your EP or some of your songs na stuck to your heart, na talagang tumatak sa'yo?
Before that, nung na-release si Panahon EP, it's just so nice na iba-iba din sila ng mga bias sa lahat ng tracks. Like may nagsasabi na, nandito ako ngayon sa phase na kahapon phase, and then yung iba, nasa simula ngayon, era na sila, may mga nasa baka bukas pa. Pero siguro isa sa mga nag-stuck or nag-strike sa akin would possibly be a message from an angel na angels po kasi, angel kasi yung tawag ko po sa mga sumusuporta po sa akin. Sinabi niya na her song is Baka Bukas kasi she's trying to figure out how to navigate her life. And at the same time, ang dami niya mga baka bukas sa buhay niya. Not just in a romantic way, but also career-wise, family-wise, and discovering herself as well. And parang may sinabi siya doon na hindi ko namamalayan na ang dami ko ng mga baka bukas before na nangyayari na ngayon. So maraming salamat sa pagpapaalala sa akin. So that's such a, yeah. So,
Nakakaiyak naman yung mga lyricist din sila.
di ba,
Mantutulari.
matatalinhaga din po kasi
Oo
talaga
nga.
sila. Oo.
But your lyrics really are something else.
Thank
Which
you.
lyric in your EP, Panahon, nung sinulat mo siya, sabi mo, yun. Ang galing ko dun. Ang talitalino ko dun.
Oh, I won't give credit to myself alone. I co-wrote the whole Panahon EP with my partner Bal. Makikita niyo po siya sa credits. And also John Roberts sa isa naming kanta, which is Panahon. Siguro isa sa mga favorite lines ko or lyrics na nasulat is from Simula Ngayon. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, sinabi ko siya na siya yung nasa last line na di mapapangakong di maibubuhos sa maling tao ang tamang pag-ibig, ngunit siguradong di na mauubos ang pagmamahal ko sa aking sarili simula ngayon. Yeah, I know!
Ayokong kasama to, naiiyak ako eh. Alam mo yung nakakatawa, masaya naman ako eh. Ba't ako naiiyak?
Ano yun? Yung kanta na yun.
Yeah, and when we had you here last, kasama si JJ, na nasa Japan
Yes!
ngayon,
Shout
diba?
out sa'yo, JJ. Nasa Japan ka
Oo,
ngayon.
yung baka bukas,
Siya.
pinag-usapan natin to na parang ibahin mo ako sa milyong mata
Yes,
nila.
isa din yan.
Nung kinanta mo yun, sabi ko, gusto ko sabihin, break muna tayo saglit. Iiyakan
Ma-feel ko lang lalo
ma-feel ko
yung
lang
kanta,
niya.
please. Parang longing lang ako sa'yo. Yung parang di mo ko
Oo,
pinipili.
diba?
Pero
Wag muna, 6 songs lang naman.
21 minutes lang yun.
Wag muna, babalak muna kita for today.
Mga
Right?
give me 21 minutes per day. Ganon.
Ano ko lang, para ma-appreciate kita
Yes,
lalo.
yes.
Diba? Tama, oo. But we've been talking about your Panahon ni EP. But among all of your songs, if you could choose, which song do you think is your most underrated track? Nasabi mo, sana, minsan, ito yung sinasabi sa akin na gusto nilang kanta.
I would give it to 2 songs. Which is Kulimlim and Pwede Bang Mamaya. May nagbababo yung Kenkoy sa akin. Yeah, Kulimlim and Pwede Bang Mamaya. Those are my firstborn babies for Panahon EP. And I think they deserve more recognition kasi kaya sila yung mga unang nilabas kasi isa sila sa mga tracks na pinakamasakit. Kaya sila yung mga nasa gitna. Kulimlim, Pwede Bang Mamaya and Kahapon. That trio, kaya sila nasa
Triple kill.
Yes, triple
Oo.
kill kasi sila. Kumbaga, from Panahon, opening all the doors na with a lot of possibilities, and then going to Baka Bukas, wherein you're full of hope on what's gonna happen tomorrow, and then those uncertainties which are like gloomy clouds na kulimlim will just happen in your life, and then you will just say na pwede bang mamaya because of all the pressure, and then you will just request again sa panahon na pwede bang bumalik na lang tayo sa kahapon kung saan masaya pa ako. Pero marirealize mo na hindi, simula ngayon, kailangan ko palang pagdaanan lahat ng pain na yon para makita ko na simula ngayon, hindi na sila darating, hindi na ganun kasakit yung mga pangyayaring yun sa akin.
Grabe, no?
So it's really a story.
I like how the entire EP, from titles to lyrics,
Yeah.
it tells a whole story na talagang pinag-isipan at talagang pinagtrabahuhan
3
talaga.
years
yung
ba naman? 2 to 3 years ba
Oo nga,
naman
yung
siya
tagal
in
eh,
the
di ba?
making?
Maghihintay pa ba kami na 2 to 3 years ulit bago mo kami saktan? PR trained po si Angela Kian. Wala akong maipipihit dito.
Wala.
But a few days ago, you released a live performance with one of your songs.
Yes.
With Over October,
Moved On Last.
The song was released earlier this year.
That's my first release for 2026.
yeah, January pa. Sakto,
Yeah, we started
diba?
it with a bang with Over October.
Why release a live performance version now?
This was really planned way back. Parang bago pa ma-release yung Moved On Last, we really planned na dapat meron tayong live performance. But hinanap namin yung perfect time. Kasi of course, we are two artists technically.
Right,
So
yeah.
we're also trying to navigate yung mga songs namin like individually, but also try to combine the power. Yes. So sabi namin na I think perfect na parang yung sobrang unexpected nila na time yung meron pa palang live performance
Yeah.
kayong ilalabas, but ngayon lang.
Akala namin
ganon.
yun, naka-move on na kami.
Which, yun din yung purpose niya na sabi namin, hindi natin sila ipapa-move on.
Sasaktan namin kahit hanggat makakaya namin.
hanggat mapipiga pa namin yan para wala na talagang sakit.
Aww. Grabe talaga. Sakto, no? Sa mga stuck in traffic ngayon, iyak-iyak
Yes.
muna tayo. I-wiper
Opo.
ang mata imbis ang kotse.
Tama,
Today.
tama.
Right? Pero you had...
Ang galing nun. Ang smart nun. I-give ko sa'yo yun.
Thank you. Oo, kaya ako empleyado
Lyrics
dito.
yan, lyrics.
Sulat natin. Ika-copyright, sabi mo, co-written by...
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so you had a live performance in video with Over October, moved on last. But can we expect more live performance from you in the future? Do you have any gigs coming up? Or your songs? What can we expect more from you now?
I just want to say to everyone again, thank you so much, Magic, for having me again. Ang ang bungad ng June at ang huli po ng June. Maraming
Para sa'yo
salamat.
talaga tong June na to.
Yes, thank you so much. Pero again, to everyone who are listening right now, please do continue to stream Panahon EP and my other songs outside Panahon EP, like Moved On Last, Alas Jizz. So I have a lot of songs for you guys. And speaking of events where you can see me like face to face, tomorrow I'll be at Fusion 2026.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also sa Love Laban on 27th. Yan. So, kita-kita po tayo doon. Mag-enjoy lang tayo. And again, happy Pride to everyone. I love you all. Yep.
Aw, thank you so much for coming
Thank you.
back again. We loved having you here. Balik ka na
Please.
ulit.
Yes.
Bukas na, sa July. Ikaw na rin
Okay,
bumungad.
bungad na rin ako.
Bungad na rin ng July. Para sa'yo na talaga to. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you then, everyone.
Yeah, do continue to stream her music. Her EP Panahon is out now. Request the song nonstop over here on Magic 89.9. Once again, Angela Ken on Nightlive. You're listening to today's best music. We're Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.